Lami kaayo. Lami kaayo.
Lami. Video ano mi.
Iba talagang may bagong cellphone. Nonchalant sa nangyayari sa paligid niya. At ito na nga, first time namin pumunta dito sa Cambugahay Falls at first time rin namin makatikim ng charcoal ice cream. Pero guys, hindi pala modern invention ang ice cream. Noong 500 BC pa, ang Persian Empire ay gumagawa ng dessert using snow at grape juice concentrate. Pampalamig nila tuwing summer. At ito pa ang dramatic ice cream story. Noong 1649, basahin nyo na lang guys, baka hindi pwedeng sabihin. Ang chef ni King Charles I ng England because he broke his promise not to reveal the ice cream recipe secret. Pero fast forward in the 1800s, si Augustus Jackson ay tinaguriang father of ice cream. Siya ang kauna-unahang gumamit ng asin para hindi madali matunaw ang ice cream sa paggawa nito. It was considered that revolutionary ang kanyang paraan, kaya malaki naging impact niya sa ice cream history. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Until next time, don't forget to follow, like, and share. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Bye!